Good morning, my YouTube family. Welcome back. All right, today is a DIY. Actually, I'm gonna do a couple of DIYs, so you might see this gorgeous Aruba shirt a couple of videos because I have a couple of DIYs I want to do, and today is Sunday and it is wash day, so hence this, and that is why I need to do the DIY. So are you ready? So let's do my cleansing shampoo. Now I only wash my hair, meaning cleansing my hair, once a month. I rinse my hair in between, but I only cleanse my hair once a month. And actually I'm a little bit behind because it's almost a month and a half since I washed my hair. But anywho, let's get to what I use for my cleansing. I'm using a couple things that you've seen all around YouTube. I know you did because that's where I picked them up at, but I kind of mix them all together. So let's do it. So what I do is I have me an empty squeeze bottle, and I know this seems like a lot and you don't need all this. I was a product junkie. I'm trying not to be that way anymore. So I have a lot of products, so I use them up, but I will not at the end have these many products again. So anyway, let's do the shampoo. So let me tell you what's in my shampoo before we even start mixing. I use black soap, but I liquefy my black soap. And again, remember I always say brands don't matter. Find whatever works for you. This is from Amazon. I get most of my stuff from Amazon. So this is just one of, I have got whatever comes up on Amazon, the cheapest for £1 is usually the one I buy. I try to keep it as organic as possible, yes. But so I have tried many brands. So this is, it usually comes in the bars. So what I do is, and I can DIY it if you want to see it. I can also show you how I liquefy it. But anywho, we're not talking about that. So this is that soap in a liquid form. So I'm going to put black soap in my cleanser. I will put that Neutrogena, which everyone talks about. I do like it. I used it by itself. It cleanses, but it cleanses just as good as maybe black soap. So I have it. Will I buy it again? This one I probably will buy again. I think I will buy again. Will I need maybe Dawn? I don't think. I think this can do the exact same thing that Dawn does. So, but since I have it, I use it. So hence I have the Dawn shampoo, dishwasher shampoo, soap. And also a lot of people use Dr. Bronner's, but again I go whatever the cheapest and still as organic as possible. And this is what I got off Amazon, which was a set of 6 of these. They're like Dr. Bronner's soap, so they're very concentrated, so you don't need a lot. So for my hair shampoo, I use the tea tree Castile soap, and I also use the peppermint Castile soap. Now I do put a couple drops of essential oils in my shampoo, and these are just to stimulate my scalp again. You know, I do every time I get a chance. I can put a little bit of something to help my hair growth or keep the hair on my head. I will do it. So I'm using peppermint oil. I am also using tea tree. I am using rosemary. And I am using eucalyptus. These are usually the 4 trios I put in mostly, and even in my itchy spray, these are what I put in there. I think I also put rosemary normally in there too. Do I have rosemary here? Yeah, I have rosemary. So these are usually the 4 that I put in, even with my itchy spray, which I have a video of. So let's get mixing. All right. And I didn't bring down my my funnel. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess, because I don't need that much of it. So let me put it over here. See if I can get a little bit in there without making a mess. And again, I don't do measurements. I mix them as I need it. So I mean, if I don't measure anything, I go by eyeballs. So I put the me move this over so you can see. I put the black soap in. Now I'm gonna put a couple squeezes of the Neutrogena. That's good enough for me. A little bit of the Dawn. And usually when I'm sniffling allergies. Usually when I wash my hair, I do cleanse shampoo it twice. So I kind of make a little bit more of the cleansing than what I will do when I make the moisturizing one, because I do this twice. So that's in there. So now let's put the Castile soap. And again, I don't put too much of this because this is already concentrated. These I would definitely repurchase again, for sure. But do you need them? This is just my little extra I do for myself. So both of those are in. Now I'm just going to put like a drop or two of the essential oils, not even that much. And again, this is all extra. You can just get away with just black soap if that's all you have, and you know, if that's all you have, that's what you use. And I should have had this open. Up, there we go. All right, and let me just another couple drops. Okay, that one's done. And this is the rosemary. And we just couple drops. And eucalyptus. Now, hence, with all this, I'm going to put a little bit of water in this too, because everything I'm using is so concentrated. So that is everything I will put in. And normally what I would do is, this is hot water from the faucet. Just pour a little bit of, and again, then you bring a funnel. But let's see if I can do this without making a mess. There we go. Right there. That's all. That is my cleansing shampoo. And this one will be used today because this hair needs to be washed. I kind of went a little bit longer than I like when it comes to cleansing my hair. Because I wanted to color it, but I also want to do a video on coloring my ends of my hair. So that kind of put me back on my wash day. So this is my cleansing shampoo. And all I do, and just really quick for the moisturizing, I have a couple of squeezy bottles. I put everything in a squeezy bottle. Have it all done before I even get over to the bowl and wash my hair. And I just take, and I think I talked about this Prima Nature Argan shampoo. I really, really like this. This is definitely a repurchase for me. This is very moisturizing, along with the Hello Hydrations. So that, yep, need just a little bit more. A little bit more. I don't think about an ounce or so. And in the moisturizing one, all this and water. I don't put anything extra in this one. I just want to make it a little bit thinner, because remember, our locks, once you get that thick stuff in your locks, it's hard to get it out, and you'll be washing for days to make sure to get the soap out. So a lot of things you want to make it more liquefied than what it might be. See, I'm going to keep like till this is kind of like nothing on the bottom, residue at the bottom. But this is my cleansing. I usually 2 rounds of the cleansing one round of the moisturizing. That is it. And then, like I said in one of my other videos, that I usually don't put anything else on my hair until 24 hours for it can dry. I don't want to put any moisturizer because right after a shampoo, you want your hair to dry through. That you don't want mildew, so you want your hair to thoroughly dry. And then I go in if I feel as though I need some moisturizer, then I put it in there. But anywho, that is my cleansing. So you'll see another DIY, and I'll talk to you later. See you later, family.